Today we are featuring a 2016 Chevrolet Malibu LTZ. It's got 34,000 miles on it. It's black in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, it does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. Nice chrome inserts on the door handles. Driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looking good here too. All right, exterior of this Malibu's in really good shape. Got the nice chrome grille there. Really sharp looking car. Got the xenon headlights. Really pretty car. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, we've got the black on black door panels. Nice wood grain trim around the buttons here. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. All right, it does have the nice Chevrolet Malibu thick rubber floor mats, black leather, power driver's seat. Leather's in good shape. Does come with the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat leather looks good. It is an automatic, dual climate controls, heated seats. All right, we'll have your display screen right there, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrap steering wheel audio controls with Bluetooth, and got your cruise control right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 34,590 miles on it. Now that we got it started, go ahead and show you your home screen here. All right, and there are all your apps. You can just cycle through those and see. All right, there's no backup camera on this Malibu. No backup camera, all right, but it does have heated seats, dual climate controls, and another cool feature about this is flick the button over right here, the radio rises up, got a little storage area in there. A pretty cool little feature there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. The back seat also has the nice thick rubber floor mats. All right. Back seat leather's in good shape. It does have the console that comes down with the cup holders. Go ahead and give you your driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Go ahead and take a look in the trunk. All right, it does have your cargo net back here. Another rubber floor mat here. All right, but the carpet's in good shape. I'll stand to the side so you can see the depth of just how much space you're working with here in this Malibu. But there's a good bit of storage room back here. Let's take a look at your wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. Goodyear tires, still got plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2016 Chevrolet Malibu LTZ, 34,000 miles on it. Exterior's in good shape, interior's in good shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.